Warning: 6 types of people who should not eat garlic. Garlic is more than just a flavorful herb added to food. We all know that garlic is loaded with many healthy nutrients, which are extremely beneficial and useful for maintaining good health in general. If you consume garlic, these compounds may help keep you to improve your health and might also help you avoid some potentially serious problems and severe diseases. But, if you are in the 6 types of people we are about to say, then you should be extra careful when you consume this super healthy ingredient. These are the 6 types of people who shouldn't be eating garlic. People with liver problems. As an antibacterial and antiviral food which eliminates bacteria, people believe eating garlic does prevent hepatitis. But this healthy vegetable can't be eaten for treatment of the hepatitis virus. Also, we can say that garlic may stimulate the stomach and intestines, which can lower the amount of gastric acid in the intestinal tract and affect the food digestion. It will aggravate intensified symptoms such as nausea. People suffering from non-bacterial diarrhea. If patients with diarrhea consume raw garlic, the spicy flavor of raw garlic may stimulate the intestines, which may lead to intestinal mucosal hyperemia and edema aggravation, and make the condition even worse. So, when you have diarrhea, be careful with garlic consumption. Patients before surgery. Patients who will undergo a surgery should keep in mind that they need to stop eating garlic at least 2 weeks before going to surgery because it might extend bleeding. Pregnant women and women breastfeeding. When taken in normal amounts, garlic is likely safe to eat during pregnancy. There is not enough information about the safety of using garlic in these cases. However, garlic is probably unsafe when used in medicinal amounts during pregnancy and breastfeeding. People with low blood pressure. Garlic lowers the blood pressure. Taking garlic may make blood pressure become too low, thus worsening the condition of people with this health issue. People with eye conditions. Eye disease patients should not eat garlic. Consuming garlic for a longer period may damage the eyes, especially for people who are suffering from an eye condition that causes bleeding. They need to be extra careful. Garlic can make the bleeding even worse and increase the risk of loss of vision. So, if you are in one of these types of people, stop eating garlic, because it can be bad for your health. We really hope you enjoyed this post, and please share it with your friends and family.